Boost your SEO with Semrush, the ultimate digital marketing suite. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back to my channel, where we discuss the latest and greatest topics in the world of digital marketing. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into what is arguably one of the most important tools in any marketer's arsenal, Semrush. If you're new here, Semrush is an all-in-one SEO and digital marketing suite that provides you with detailed insights and analytics to help you optimize your online presence. It's been around for quite some time now, and it's safe to say, it's made a name for itself. So, let's get started and take a closer look at what Semrush is all about. So, in a nutshell, Semrush is essentially a digital marketing suite of tools that can help you with a range of different tasks, from keyword research to backlink analysis and everything in between. It's a pretty comprehensive package, and there's a lot to explore. One of the main features of Semrush is its keyword research tool. With this tool, you can identify the best keywords to target for your website, and even track your search engine rankings. When it comes to keyword research, Semrush is hard to beat. It allows you to type in a keyword and get detailed insights into how often it's searched for, how competitive it is, and even gives you suggestions for related terms that you could target. To showcase this, we could show footage of someone using the keyword research tool, and how they're able to identify some great keywords to target for their website. Another crucial aspect of SEO is backlink management, and Semrush has a tool dedicated to this as well. With the backlink analysis tool, you can get detailed insights into your website's backlink profile, as well as monitor your competitors' backlinks. To show this off, we could have footage of someone digging deep into their backlink profile using the Semrush backlink tool and uncovering some interesting insights. Site audits are critical for identifying any issues with your website that could be impacting your SEO performance. Semrush has a site audit tool that can help identify any technical issues with your website and provide recommendations for improvement. To showcase this, we could have footage of someone conducting a site audit using the Semrush tool and uncovering some critical issues that they need to address to improve their website's performance. Lastly, Semrush even has a suite of tools to help you manage your social media presence. From scheduling posts to monitoring your social media mentions, the social media management tool is a game changer. To showcase this, we could have footage of someone using the tool to schedule their social media posts and monitor their mentions, highlighting how easy and efficient it is. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.